Logan, that's great for you because you know how all this tech stuff works. I'm not tech savvy at all. The thing is, it's a learning process. I know for a fact you are not dumb. I bet you have some form of education and most likely a job even. You have the ability to learn. Here are my 3 tips for you worried about the tech learning curve. You are in my Facebook group. Ask questions, get to know one another. Your questions aren't stupid because I bet you others have them too. Number 2, get really good at Googling and YouTubing your problem. The online world is all about solutions now. You just have to not be lazy and actually look. Number 3, my best friends are tech support. They are probably annoyed with me, but I do live chats with them on the chat rooms on these softwares all the time. I want to learn and I want to set things up right. Once you learn, you add it to your arsenal and you move on. Don't give up when something stumps you. Use your resources.